I think the very idea that you can set off a bomb in a marketplace and kill several hundred people is exciting and stimulating, and I see it as a form of entertainment.
Good boy. Come on. This is the saddest fight of an apple I've ever seen.
Americans are soft and frightened and unimaginative, and they don't realize there's such a thing as dangerous fun. And they certainly don't recognize a good show when they see one. I've always been willing to put myself at great personal risk for the sake of entertainment. And I've always been willing to put you at great personal risk for the same reason. As far as I'm concerned, all of this airport security, all the searches, the screenings, the cameras,
It's
the
little
questions,
tiny
it's
wimpy
just
fight.
one more way of reducing your liberty. As long as you put up with it. As long as you put up with it.
No.